Businesses and organisations are judged on sustainability levels and not just profit. Now, this extra demand is putting pressure on those responsible for purchasing goods. Now, if you're responsible for purchasing or issuing lanyards within your organisation, I'm going to show you one simple change you can make today that will help play your part. If you purchase personalised lanyards and you issue them to your staff, students, event attendees or your sponsors at your business conference, then making a switch from polyester material to rPET fabric is a massive step towards a cleaner, safer and greener future. rPET fabric is made from recycled plastic bottles, and in essence it gives plastic a second life. Now, for every 100 rPET lanyards you order, you save 20 plastic bottles from going back into landfill sites. When compared to the production of polyester material, rPET fabric uses no additional chemicals, 59% less energy and 32% less CO2 emissions. If you're ready to go green and issue rPET lanyards like us, call 0800 988 2095 or email sales@digitalid.co.uk.